question, there is a, what did you understand from this question? There are lithium batteries, correct? What are the things you
Yeah.
understood from this question? You tell me.
So basically, because that reaction about plus, oh wait, so like a compound plus lithium plus an electron. I think this is a process of charging, right? Because
Yes.
we get electrons, and so yeah, so this is happening at the cathode, and I think since there is something like, I think there would be another kind of anode where there is another half equation happening, and it involves the lithium compound being formed again, turned back to the delocalized, not delocalized, but
So,
pure.
so that's what they're asking. What will be used as this particular anode they are trying to ask? Okay.
Yeah, I think
So
graphite.
just remember, for lithium, the particular anode which is being selected is the graphite. Graphite is a no, it is the first main thing is it is very low cost, very low in cost. Okay, it has high energy density in it. Okay, the power is very is abundance, and the cyclic reaction is for a very long period of time. That's why graphite is used as an anode for the lithium ion. Remember this point.
Yeah.
Got
Yeah.
it?
Yeah, got it.
Yeah. So now did you understand?
Yes, I did.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, yeah, I think I did actually understand, but I don't know why I got this one wrong. This, I don't know. Anyways.
So you can see the equation. With that equation, you know it is possible.